Okay, just soap up the body. Make sure you get under all their little folds, under their chin, under their arms. And you try to do it quickly so as they don't get too cooled down. You can get it all wet around the cord. That's how you're going to keep it clean, okay? The cord will fall off in 1 to 2 weeks. Throughout the day, take a Q-tip and wet it with water, and you're going to clean around there a few times throughout the day also. Okay? Just with water. Yep.
Oh, he likes it warm. Oh, not really.
Now, when you wash the hands, wash